Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show Pharmacy Management System project in C#.NET. So first of all, open this project file in Visual Studio 2015. First of all, open this file in Visual Studio. So loading this Solution Explorer. This Pharmacy Management System project files opened in Visual Studio. So first is the resources folder. In resources folder, multiple images is here. There are multiple images in a resources folder. Then the all forms of our project, the main form of our project and first form of our project is the about form and about section of our Windows application. So first of all, open this project file here. This is the project file. Okay, this is the about section of our project. Second one is the backup section. In the backup section, here you find an admin access to all the backup of our project, to get all the backup of our project. Okay, so third is the bill form. Can ignore and continue, and then yes. Okay, this is the main form of our project. And the next is the customer medicine return. This is the customer medicine return form. And the next form is the form 1. Yes. Okay, this is the main form of our project, customer medicine return form. In this form, bill number, date, batch number, current stock, medicine name, MFC, MRP, expiry date, locaton, quantity, total amount, purchase date. And this is the buttons: return, delete and calculator, and from date and to date, and delete from date to date data. Okay, and this is the data grid view section. This is the data grid view section. Next one is the login form. This is the login form, username, password, and this is the OK button and cancel button is here. Then next one is the login add. This is the login add form, username, old password, new password, save and cancel buttons here. Next one is the main form. This is the main form of our project. In this main form, this is the menu strip. In menu strip, file, details, tools, report and about section. In the file section, change password, exit. In the details section, stock details, build, transaction, return detail, purchase detail. The next is the tools. In the tools section, bill, purchase, return, customer return and backup is here. And then report section, purchase report, sales report, return report, customer return report is here. And last one is the about section. And this is the our all filtration menus, calculator, notepad, and this is the image of background image. Okay, this is the main form of our project. Then the next form is a medicine return form. Ignore and continue. Yes, this is the medicine return form. In the medicine return form, this is the bill number, date, batch number, current stock, medicine name, MFC, MRP, expiry date, locaton, quantity, total amount, purchase date, and return and delete option, and the form date and true dates is here. And the next form is a purchase. This is the purchase form, stock purchase. In the stock purchase form, invoice number, date, batch number, current stock, current amount, medicine name, MFC, expiry date, locaton, purchase quantity, unit price, unit sale, VAT, purchase, tax and total is here, and calculate. And this is the CRUD operation button, new medicine, find medicine, save medicine, and update the existing medicine. And this is the data grid view. And this is the all other controls is the clear, save, calculator, and delete. The next form is the purchase details. In the purchase detail forms, find and delete all. There are two options here. And the purchase report. In the purchase report, this is the purchase report form. In the return form, this is the stock return form. This is the stock return form. In the stock return form, invoice number, date, batch number, current stock, medicine name, MFC, MRP, return quantity, unit price, VAT tax, tax amount, and total amount. And this is the clear, update, and delete section. And this is the data grid. The next form is the return detail. This is the return details form. This is the return report form. This is the next form is the sales report. This is the sales report form. The next is the stock details form. This is the stock details form. In the stock details form, find batch number, medicine name, MFC, expiry date, account, unit price, VAT, sale price, MRP, and tax amount. And this is the CRUD operation buttons, calculate, save, delete all. The next form is the transaction. This is the transaction form. Select the from date and to date and filter the data. Okay, this is the our project design. You can download this project, link is given in description below. You can download it and use it. Okay, so I hope you like this project and like this video, and subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming AK, and click on bell icon for new videos. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends, thank you so much.